In this video, we will show you how to export, copy and print SPSS outputs to Word, Excel or PDF. Right, let's now download the dataset of bank.save with download link in the description of this video, and open it in SPSS. We'll use it for walking you in this video. Right. So with our data open, let's create some outputs by running the descriptive analysis. Running this analysis opens an output viewer window as shown here. A great way to convert SPSS output to Word or Excel is exporting all contents of the output viewer in one go. You can do so by navigating to File on the menu, then select Export as shown here. Selecting the options below results in a Word or Excel document, for example here in Word document, that contains all tables and charts shown in your output viewer. This is the ideal starting point for writing your report. Here, we export SPSS output, for example, to an Excel document, do the same process, then enter the file name, and click OK. Just see the exported documents, firstly the one in Word. And now, the exported document in Excel. You will find all output items as in SPSS output viewer window. If you need only a handful of output items in Word and Excel, you can also just copy-paste them. The Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V shortkeys usually work fine, for both tables and charts. If it fails, however, use Copy Special for tables as shown here. The same goes for copy-pasting charts to Word. First try Ctrl+C. If that doesn't work, copy the chart as an image as shown here. Right, so that'll do for introducing SPSS output. We hope we clarified some basics. You can also print the SPSS outputs, or export it to PDF file, by navigating to File on the menu, then clicking Print, then selecting the PDF Creator printer. We finish here the video. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel. Also, don't hesitate to leave your comments, these will inspire us to create more videos. See you soon in the next videos.